Compensation for personal injury cases. Personal injury cases are far more common than many people would expect. These types of injuries create numerous physical, emotional and mental ramifications for the affected individual. There are two different types of cases. You have a minor case that is called soft tissue injury. Then you have a major case that is called significant injury. These are the two main factors that will be considered when you are going for compensation. For a soft tissue case, you would use a personal injury calculator like listed below. Compensation for medical expenses is one of the more common forms of compensation that is sought after in a personal injury case. This compensation includes costs of medical expenses, rehabilitation, therapy and treatment for the related injury. Financial losses. Almost all types of personal injuries involve financial loss. It might be in the form of lost wages or piled up medical bills. In certain cases of injuries, a person's stable economic condition is threatened due to temporary or permanent disabilities. Oftentimes, property of the injured person is also significantly devalued and defaced, leading to loss of money in renovation or replacements. For all types of financial losses, the injured person is supposed to get compensated by the responsible party. If injuries left an individual unable to work, then that person can aim to receive compensation for lost income. Whether the person cannot work at all or cannot work as many hours as before the accident, compensation for lost income can be pursued. In many cases, time missed from work must be documented and verified with the employer. There are also a few other things that can affect the value of your injury claim. How clear is it that the negligent person was at fault? How much is insurance going to cover? How reliable are the witnesses? And what are the state's laws where the injury happened? These are all important factors when trying to use a personal injury calculator. The best advice is to find a personal injury solicitor. Make sure you chose one that specializes in your type of accident. They will be able to tell you what you can expect and also how long it might take. Most of the time you can find one that will not get paid until you do. These are typically the best because they will work harder knowing their paycheck is on the line. They will normally go for higher amounts when they can prove that the negligent party was clearly at fault. This will be a great advantage to you.